How to use Alexa to control your set-top box in case you'd like to let your voice do all the work. Here's what you need: MeTV, Alexa, set-top box, smartphone, IR cable and the HDMI cable. First, check that your MeTV is connected to your set-top box. Then, connect the IR cable to the MeTV. On your MeTV, select Sensi TV Guide. Choose Connect with Alexa and follow the steps mentioned. Now, open the Alexa app on your phone. Head to the Skills and Games section, search for Sensi, and click on Enable to Use. Enter the OTP mentioned on the TV into the phone to complete the setup. Alright, let's test it out. Alexa, switch to channel 3. Alexa for your MeTV. Smart, that goes a long way.
Xiaomi.